This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use the Collagen Night Firming Soothing Mask, only way. Apply a thin layer to cleansed, dry skin and leave on overnight for firming and hydration. Use 2 to 3 times weekly or adjust based on skin sensitivity. Gently massage any residue into neck and décolletage in the morning, then follow with sunscreen if exposed. Store the mask in a cool, dry place and keep the lid tightly closed to preserve active ingredients. Pat skin dry and apply the mask evenly, covering forehead, cheeks, and chin, but avoiding eyes and lips. Leave on overnight to let collagen and soothing botanicals absorb fully into skin while you sleep. For sensitive skin, perform a patch test and reduce frequency to once weekly until tolerated. Combine with gentle exfoliation once weekly to enhance absorption without irritation and track results with photos. Common mistakes are applying the mask to damp skin, using excessive product, and layering strong acids right before application. Fix these by waiting until skin is fully dry, using a nickel-sized amount, and avoiding retinoids or AHA the same night. If you experience irritation, rinse off immediately, switch to shorter use, and consult a dermatologist for persistent reactions. Consistent, correct use yields firmer, more hydrated skin, and better long-term results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.